Today in our menu is pork belly. Yes, so the first thing we're going to do is to make this cut. Not too deep, not too shallow either. Have you ever had crunchy, juicy and tender on one plate? This is what this pork belly gives. The skin is so crunchy and chewable, but now when you go down, the meat itself is so tender and juicy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to season the skin with salt and pepper. Rub it well on the skin and make sure we pass the finger through the cut so that the seasoning can go in the meat. And then after this, we are going to turn the meat and then we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. Not too much salt, not too much black pepper, but again, not too little. In our baking tray, we're going to add carrots and onions and water. This will help in making broth. Yes. And then we're going to cover our meat with foil. Yes. And then we will put it in the oven for at least 1 hour and a half. Everyone has something that makes them feel good about themselves when they're down. So me is going to the kitchen and making a good food. And I thank God that he gave me a partner who has the same thing as me. So we are partners in the kitchen. And guys, our meat is ready. Not 100% ready, but now we are going to turn it again on the other side. So the skin will be facing up. And then we're going to put it in the oven with no foil this time. And also the broth is not going in this time. Our meat is ready. Look at it, guys. The skin is so crunchy. But when you look at the meat down there, you can see how soft and tender it looks. This was a nice dish. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.